Hello, my friends. Okay, today, go ahead and get your tens frame mat ready and your whiteboard marker. Okay, everybody. Today, I'm going to say a number first, and you're going to draw how many dots in your tens frame. Okay, I'm going to say the number. Are you ready? 2. Everybody, go ahead and show me 2 dots in the tens frame. Show me what they should look like. Reagan's got it. Daniel's got it. Ava's got it. Think JB's got it. Yes. So my friends, when we are starting with our numbers, are we starting in the middle of the tens frame?
No.
Can I just go like this? Oh, she said 2, so I'm going to put 2 dots in my tens frame.
No.
Why not?
Because
Why can't I put them in the middle? Can I put it? Oh, I know. I'll put them over here.
No.
What about this?
Yeah. No.
I can't do that either, Ava? Okay, where do I put it?
In the left.
Oh, it has to go, you're right, it has to go the top left. So when we are counting, we have to fill up the top one first, and then we go to the bottom one, just like your hands. So when we're counting on one hand, we go all the way up to 5 first before we go to the next hand, right? We don't go 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be confusing. So we just count all the way up to 5 on one hand, and then we use the next hand. Okay, I'm gonna say another number. 6. So fill in 6 dots on your tens frame, my friends. Daniel's got it. I can't see it if you're waving it. Yep, got it. Ava. Count one more time, Miss Reagan. Ooh, yes, Elise.
Good job.
Good.
5.
Okay, my friends, how many was 6? How many is on the top, I mean?
5.
All 5 are on the top. How many's on the bottom?
1.
Yes, 5 and 1 more is 6. Okay, erase. Okay. 8. Draw 8 dots in your tens frame. It's okay if it doesn't erase, Jason. 8. Fill in 8. I like some strategies that I'm hearing right now. Some people are counting it up. They're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they have 8 dots in there. I heard another friend do it this way. They just filled in the top. They didn't count it at all. And they said, well, I know that's 5. And then they said 6, 7, 8. Who did it that way? Who just filled up that top? They're like, I know I already have 5. It's more than 5, so I'm going to fill it up. Okay. 9. 9. Who can do 9?
Do what?
That was fast, JB. How'd you do that so fast? Did you erase all of them?
Good job, Daniel.
Did you erase them and then start doing your dots again?
No.
Nope. What did you do?
I started counting to this.
So he started counting the bottom ones. He did not erase his dots. He already knew he had 8. Is 9 more than 8? He added how many more?
8.
He just added the 1 more to make 9. So if we were going to do 9, my friends, it would look like this. The top row would be full. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Okay. Everybody try to erase your boards if you can. If they're not erasing, let me get my magic eraser just 1 second. boards don't erase as well as I hope. Leaks, let me help you. The red ones don't come off for some reason. Okay, and the purple is hard to come off. We should just get all the same color, huh? Okay, my friends. Okay, now this time, we're not drawing all over it, Jason. This time, you're gonna listen, erase yours. You're gonna listen to a sound that I'm gonna make, and then you're gonna write that, then put that many dots in your tens frame.
The boogie?
Listen. That wasn't as loud as I'd hoped. I'll do it one more time. Listen. You can count on your fingers while I'm tapping. I'm going to do it one more time. Jazzy heard it.
9.
I'm going to do it one more time. You can count on your fingers. Count on your fingers. Ready?
9. I counted. It was 9.
Let's count it up together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Show me on your tens frame. What does it look like?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7.
Yes, Jazzy.
I got it right, didn't I?
Yes, Miss Reagan.
Erase now.
Did you get it, Salix? It was 7, my friend. So this is what 7 looks like on the tens frame. Okay, this is the last one. Listen, listen. Listen really good. Listen, I did a different number this time. Ooh, Jazzy heard it. JB heard it.
I made a way.
Who else heard it? I'm gonna do it one more time. Ooh, Daniel heard it. One more time, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ava got it.
6, 7,
Yes.
8, 9, 10.
Reagan got it. Jason, we're not drawing, my friend. How many was that, my friends?
10.
It was 10. So how many do we fill in on our tens frame?
10.
Or fill her up, right? It's the whole thing is full because we have 10. Show me with your fingers. What does 10 look like? 10. We are going to count by 10. Let's do our counting by 10 song. So if we add 10 to another 10, how much do we have? 20. 2 tens is 20. We're going to add the 2 to the 10. 20. Then how many is 3 tens? 30. How many is 4 tens?
40.
40. How many is 5 tens?
50.
How many is 6 tens?
70.
60. How many is 7 tens?
70.
Who's noticing a pattern? How many is 8 tens?
80.
How many is 9 tens?
90.
And 10 tens is?
100.
All right, let's sing our song. Ready? Okay. I can count by tens up to 100. I can count by tens. Ready, here I go.
1, 2,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to start working with tens, my friends. Let's see here. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and 5 red and 5 blue. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to hand out another marker to you. Friends at home, we're going to do something a little different than the beans this time. So you're going to have 2 different colors. Everybody go ahead and erase your board.
we're gonna have 2
Pass
colors.
pass the eraser around. And we're going to have 2 different colors of markers.
Did she throw it to me? No, she gave it to me.
I want you to fill up your first row with 5 dots of one color.
How come we get 2? It's so funny.
So I just told you. So put 5 dots of one color on your 10 spring. I want you to draw those dots on there. Miss Pepper's going to do it too. So you guys are going to draw. My first 5 dots are black. So that's what mine look like. They're black. I'm going to color them in. How many dots do I have?
5.
Okay, now let's fill up the bottom with a different color. How many dots are only on the bottom row?
10.
Only on the bottom.
5.
How many red ones? There's 5 red ones. How many black ones were there?
5.
Oh, there's 5 black ones. How many do we have total all together?
10.
We have 10 all together. So, oh my goodness, 5 plus 5 more equals 10? Is that right?
Yeah.
It is right. Okay, let's see here. Now I want you guys to turn it this way. Vertically. I want you to make it a vertical. If you can erase your dots, erase your dots. If not, just leave them. Now I want you to draw 5 in here on one side of it. I have 5 black ones and I went down the side. How many do I have again?
5.
Oh, that was fast. How did you know that so fast?
Because I counted with my finger.
You counted it? I don't think you counted with your fingers. That would have taken longer.
We just knew.
Oh, you just knew. So
Me
one
too.
side is full, so you knew how many is in one side if it's full.
5.
It's 5. Okay, let's fill up the other side now. Let's
Can you
do a
slow down?
different, yes. Let's do a different color on the other side. Raise up a quiet thumb when you've got those ones filled in. You can make your dots a little bit bigger if you can't see them. So fill in your dots. Good, Miss Ava. So she's got, how many orange ones do you have, Ava?
5.
How many purple ones do you have?
5.
How many do you have all together?
10.
5 and 5 is?
10.
Yes. Okay, Miss Jaslyn, how many orange ones do you have?
5.
How many blue ones do you have?
5.
So 5 and 5 is?
10.
Woo! Okay, mister, you need to finish yours. Okay, how many green ones do you have?
5.
How many black ones?
5.
So
10.
5 and 5 is?
10.
I want you guys to say 5 and 5 is?
10.
All right, Reagan, how many pink ones do you have?
5.
How many orange ones do you have?
5.
So how many is 5 and 5?
10.
Let's do it together, my friends, with your hands. 5 and 5 is?
10.
5 and 5 is?
10.
Let's push it out. 5 and 5 is 10. Yeah, again. 5 and 5 is 10. Can we make 10 a different way?
Yeah.
I want to see if we can make 10 a different way. Can you erase? If you can, go ahead and erase. See if you can make 10 a different way. I have 5 and 5 is 10. What about if I did 6 black ones and 4 red ones? Do I still have 10?
Yeah.
Did it change?
No.
It didn't change. The numbers changed. I have 6 black ones plus 4. Is it still 10?
Yes.
So 6 and 4 is 10. Okay, I'm going to keep doing this. Now I've got how many black ones?
6, 10,
5, 6.
7.
I have 7 black ones. How many red ones do I have?
3.
7 and 3 is how many?
10.
It's always 10. Okay, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to put in, we're going to go back through this. Okay, Daniel? How many black ones do we have, Daniel? 5, 6.
7, 8.
So how many black ones?
8.
I have 8 black ones. How many red ones do I have, Salix?
2.
2. So our 8 and 2, what does that equal?
10.
What does it equal, friends? 8 and 2 is?
10.
It's still 10. Oh my goodness, there's so many ways to make 10. Okay, let's try the last one. All right, Miss Reagan, how many black ones do I have?
5 and 6, 7, 8, 9.
So I have 9 black ones, and how many red ones?
1.
1 red one. 9 and 1 is what, class?
1.
It's 10. So let's do it all together. We are going to repeat these after me. So everybody say, 5 and 5 is 10.
5 and 5 is 10.
6 and 4 is 10.
6 and 4 is 10.
We don't need to erase anymore, my friends. So everybody, 6 and 4 is 10.
6 and 4 is 10.
Nice, Salix. 7 and 3 is 10.
7 and 3 is 10.
8 and 2 is 10.
8 and 2 is 10.
And 9 and 1 is 10.
9 and 1 is 10.
Who can show me 10 a different way? Show me on your board. I want to see on your board, I want you to draw 10 any way you wish. So make a combination of the 2 colors. I don't care how it goes. One can be red. You can't switch them. So we're not going to do a pattern like this. We can't do it that way. It has to go red and then black, or black and then red. So you make whichever pattern you want. It doesn't have to look like mine. Make a combination of 10. And we're going to come around and talk about it. So Daniel, you have
5
and
and
5 is
10.
yes. All right, who has a different color? Ooh, Jazzy. So you have how many blue ones?
5. Ava, look at this. 9.
So 9 and how many orange
1.
is? Yes, 9 and 1 is 10. Oh, okay. Let's do this one, my friends. We have 10 of the same color. So 10 and 0 is what?
10.
It's still 10. We have 10 of the same color. Okay, yours is 5 and 5 again. Who has another different one? Anybody have a different one besides 5 and 5?
10.
We're going to keep working on that. Jazzy had the only different one. So hers was 9 and 1 more is 10. See how she did it differently? We could do it however we want. We're gonna keep practicing that because we just started tens today. Okay, my friends. This is your worksheet for today. It's got ladybugs on it. You are going to color 5 ladybugs, one color. Then you're gonna color 5 a different color, just like we just did. So we're gonna add those up. What's 5 and 5?
10.
Oh, yes, Elise. Okay, everybody at home, if this is too easy, try to go up to 20. So do the tricky teens, do 10 and 10 is 20. And then we're gonna start working on the counting by tens. That is it for today. We will see everybody tomorrow. Love you, miss you.